Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm showing you the easiest way to apply false lashes, and this video is especially for beginners who have no knowledge about falsies, who have never applied them. And of course it takes a little bit of practice to apply them, so don't be disappointed if you're not the master of applying eyelashes right from the beginning, because after a while you will see it gets easier and easier and easier, and it will take you less time each time you try it out. So if you want to see the easiest way how to apply false lashes, then just keep on watching. So there are only 3 things that you need when you want to apply false lashes. Of course, the lashes, lash glue and tweezers. Most of the lashes have a lash glue included, but if they haven't, you can buy a lash glue separately. And of course, this technique works for every kind of lashes, so it doesn't matter if you have natural lashes or very glamorous and dramatic lashes. Today I'm using the natural lashes from Sephora. So as you can see, I've already lined up the lash line, and I always like to do it when I wear falsies, just because that's the easiest way to hide the lash band. So it shouldn't be visible that you're wearing false lashes, and that's the best way to do it. So that's the first thing to do before you use the eyelashes. And the second thing is to use a black mascara, especially if your eyelashes are black. And that's something that I like to do because my lashes are not extremely black, they're more brown, and so it would be very visible if I wouldn't use mascara that I'm wearing falsies. And I always use the mascara first, but you can also use it afterwards when you have applied the falsies, just to blend the lashes into the falsies, but I always do it the other way around. So I've only used a little bit of mascara, and I really haven't put any effort into it because I will use the falsies anyways. And the reason why I use only a little bit of mascara is simply because it's so much harder to apply false lashes when you have very long lashes, especially with mascara. And then I just wait until the mascara dried down completely. And here are the lashes. As you can see, they are applied on something that looks like the eyelid, and they are in such a round shape. Always make sure you don't destroy this round shape of the eyelashes, because otherwise they won't fit perfectly onto your eyelids. That's just the normal shape. So always make sure when you remove the eyelashes from your face to put them back into the packaging, into this form. And yeah, these two, as you can see, this is the right eye, this is the left eye, because here in the inner corners the eyelashes are shorter than here. So always make sure that you don't switch it on the other side, because it happened to me a couple of times and it just doesn't look good, and then you have to remove it again. And so, you know, that's the kind of struggle we want to avoid. You can remove the eyelashes with tweezers or your fingers. I always do it with my fingers, very, very gently. Then I just take the tweezers just to hold the lashes, because it's so much easier to apply the lash glue when you hold it with the tweezers than only with your fingers. Now I'm just applying the lash glue, and I only apply it on the lash band. Make sure you take enough glue, and always make sure that you only use the glue on the lash band and not on the lashes. Then I just wait about 10 seconds. And always make sure that you apply the lash band directly on your eyelid, a little bit above your natural eyelashes, not on your eyelashes, because that would hurt very much when you remove it. But also make sure that there is no space between your natural lashes and the lash band. And then I just take the tweezers to press a little bit against the lash band to make sure that everything sticks to my eyelid. And that's simply it. As you can see, there is a huge difference. So guys, now you've seen how I apply falsies, and for me personally it's the easiest way, and you will see if you practice a little bit it will get better and better and better. And yeah, I just love falsies. I have never been the biggest fan of them, but lately I just love them because I think they complete every kind of makeup look, no matter if it's a natural makeup look or a very dramatic eyeshadow look. I just like it, and yeah, I hope this video was helpful for you. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you've liked it and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!